Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to solve this DOM XSS Lab on PortSwigger. Let's quickly. Its name is DOM XSS in document.write sync using source location.search. Let's quickly run it. Here we are. This is the website. There's a search bar. Let's see where our input is going. Let's actually run it one more time. Okay, so there's a request going in which our input is being reflected. Here it is, test. Next, let's go to debugger and search for our term test. Here it's showing us that it's being reflected in the header 1 tag, which is this one here. Let's also try in inspector test. Okay, first one is this one, and it's also being reflected into the source of image. Here it is, test. So we are being reflected in this tag. Let's try to escape it. Let's type test and end this tag. See, we got the quote and greater sign in reflected in the source of this page. The original one was this one, and our injected one is this one. So let's try to add another tag in it. Let's type test. Let's first escape the image tag, and then let's add a underline tag, maybe. Test 1 2 3. And as you can see, this worked fine, and we got our underline tag and it's working perfectly fine. Let's try the XSS payload this time. Test. Let's end the image tag. Let's inject a script tag, end of the script tag, and in between it the alert tag. 3 2 1 go. Here we go, baby. We got an alert tag and we solved this lab. Look, it wasn't so hard. Soon I'll make other videos as well and explaining you the hard topics that would otherwise maybe take you some time to understand and apply in your daily pen testing or bug bounty work. So stay tuned, subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.